Last time we conducted the show, it was autumn and everything was super greenery. And now it's winter and fortunately we have snow. Coincidentally, the day we planned to do this shoot,
Yeah.
we have the beautiful snowfall, right?
Yeah. Because I think it is second time for this season, or
Right.
third time maybe. But today it's beautiful. From morning it started and
Right.
it's like something different.
Okay, so what's your plan for today? Like, what recipe are you going to do?
Okay, yeah, regarding recipe, yeah. So basically today we're going to cook prawn biryani.
Right.
So as I said, I was telling you previously, right? So prawn biryani is something that is mainly origin in both part of India. Like one is in southern part,
Right.
and one is in western part.
Right.
So if you go to southern part, like Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, I
Mhm.
was there in Tamil Nadu for more than 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
So I have tasted there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And if you go to western part,
Mhm.
where I also stayed for around 4 years, so near Goa or near Konkan, there is also a type of prawn biryani. So if we talk about southern part, right,
Mhm.
southern part is more spicy, right? They put more masala, at least as per my experience.
Mm-hmm.
So they put more masala and it is more rich
Mm-hmm.
from masala point of view.
Mm-hmm.
And if you talk about the western part,
Right.
which is like Konkan part of India, or like if you go to Goa and that part,
Mm-hmm.
the prawn biryani is more subtle. The taste of it comes mainly from fish,
Right.
and mainly from coconut. We are going to try the western part actually. On top of that, we'll be adding a little bit of bong taste. So we're using maybe 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. We could have used ginger garlic paste as well, but we're not using it. We want to make it as fresh as possible. As you can see, peeling out the skin might be difficult. So what we'll be doing is just take this, place it, and that's it. As you can see, you can use if you use small size prawn, it will be like mixed with rice, and if you use much bigger, it will enhance the cooking time eventually. So I would recommend, this is the most prominent size of prawn you could use for this one, and in most of the southern and western part of India, this is the size they use. Now guys, we'll be marinating the prawn with very basic things like we'll be adding some salt, right, and a bit of salt. Adding some turmeric powder, and some red mish powder. Prawn marination is like, the mixing is almost done. We have to marinate for maybe for 20 minutes to half an hour, but you don't have to do it early before the cooking, because by the time I will reach the stage to add prawn, it will be done. We're going to make some paste now. It will be used as a base paste. We'll be adding half onion, just a little bit, some garlic, some ginger, 2-3 green chilies with leaves. Okay, guys, as you can see, the paste is ready. What we'll be doing now is we'll be adding some coconut crunch as well. Why we'll be adding it now? Because we don't want too thin paste, and we want to keep some crunch as like coconut to add some extra flavor. So we'll be adding it here and making the paste again. So we'll be making our second paste, which is like using some pumpkin seeds and some poppy seeds. Now the poppy seeds has been soaked over the night. The reason being that we'll be using this paste is this going to make our dish much more mild. Maybe 3 to 4 pieces will do. After that we'll be adding a bit of black pepper as well, not much, but a little bit just to add flavor. We'll be adding some green chilies now. Turmeric powder, little bit, just a bit, salt to taste, bit of sugar, because sugar is definitely going to add some color into this onion fry. Our green masala has been done now, it's dried enough. So what we're going to do is we'll be adding our second paste. As you can see, we don't need it the full, but we'll be adding 2 tablespoons. Now we'll be adding some water. The masala has been cooked properly. As it's been drying out, we'll be adding some bit of water. Maybe we have added some 2/3 cup of water here. We'll be cooking it for some more time. One of the important steps now is that adding prawns here. Just to check, you have to make sure that masala what we are cooking now is enough mature, because prawn doesn't take much time to cook, so it might take around 10 minutes or so, maybe 8 to 10 minutes. So once masalas are matured and cooked enough, then you can add the prawns which are marinated. So the base is ready. We'll be adding water. We have like 500 gram of rice, so we'll be adding around 700 to 750 ml of water now. Last step, we'll be adding some raisins and some full green chilies. Time to mix the rice properly so that it mixes with the gravy and the bonding with gravy and rice happens properly.
Guys, the only reason I was never in front of the camera because I just wanted to be a part of this as a fan. And I don't know how beautifully we have captured how we are going to present to you, but the experience of watching Shuvam cooking this was mesmerizing. Shall I bring on?
Yeah, sure, please. All yours.
So I'll just take a spoon of the prawn. I can't define this. Beyond my aukat, shall we say. The prawn has been cooked for like 40-45 minutes.
45 minutes, yeah.
Not a percent chewy. The rice flakes completely detached from each other. No extra hotness, no extra salty, no extra sweet. Just the perfect balance. I don't know what's the definition of perfect, but if something defines perfect, this is it.
Thank you.
Right.
And the basic thought about this recipe is just, it's like simplicity. You don't want to add extra spices or make it heavy with extra spice. We want to make it very basic and simple. We want to extract the taste from prawns as well as the coconut and bit of mint and garlic and all. That's it. We don't want to add anything like some ready-made masala or something to make it much more heavier.
Right.
There is just make it subtle and clean and simple recipe which you can have it anytime. We understand biryani is heavy, but no, it's not like that. It's simple. It's so simple and like for everyone. It's from either it have it, yeah, exactly.
2-3 tablespoons of oil, just a touch of butter, no extra biryani masala, nothing. But it's just amazing. Anyway, it was really a pleasure and an honor to be a spectator of this. And I really hope that you come back to our show with new recipes.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
It's just pleasure working with you and Ethan. It's been like you have been a great host, and especially I really do like cooking. I enjoy cooking, and with both of you guys having so much of great technical sense of cooking, it's been pleasure working with you, and I hope
he's just being humble, guys. He's just being humble. We have nothing in front of him.
Oh, man.
And the best part is, other than being an excellent chef, he's also a traveler, reader, and like he's multi-talented.
Oh, the extra one. I don't know whether I deserve these or not, but
of course, man. I wish the viewers could have tasted this. Anyway, so he has an Instagram profile uploaded with tons of food vlogging and travel vlogging. So do follow him on Instagram. The link is given in the description. And also do like, share and subscribe if you like this video, if you want to follow our recipes, and if you want to experience such lovely guest chefs with us. We do need your subscription more. And thank you, Shuvam, so much for coming. This is a small token of gift from
thanks a
our
lot.
side.
Many thanks. It's really lovely actually.